Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So pretty much the last or penultimate video of this series where I'm going through how I create electrical drawings on SkyCAD. So we've got 16 sheets on here, and I think only one of them's left to do, so it's pretty good. So we had our table of contents, and then we've got a power distribution sheet, safety circuit, where are we at? Cab unload, PLC inputs, PLC outputs, analogs, relay, Arduino PLC. This is the HMI sheet that we're going to do today. Network, back face layout, front face layout, top face layout, and then in the last video we did the front and back, back and front terminals. And then we've obviously got our parts list. So I mean, we've got a very good, nice set of drawings here. I'm literally just going to do something very simple here for this sheet. So we have our HMI and it's connected with two cables. Our HMI is connected with two cables to the PC, one HDMI cable, one micro USB cable from the PC. Very simple. So let's grab any representation of the PC that we have. Just thinking here, power distribution. If we copy this over to HMI, paste it. We don't have a link. Let's link it to there. Cool. So we've got that. We won't do a power connection this time. I think what we'll do is, gonna have to redraw this. I think this won't work. Okay, so we'll just redraw this. Let's snap to grid. What we'll do is, it's probably a bit too thick. Go down to 1/2 mil. Just click cancel, didn't I? What's the problem here? Is it because it's black? 78, 78, 78. Okay. Alright, bit better, but still a bit too far. Okay, that's about right-ish. So let's do this. Let's give it some text to say that's a PC. Make it 40. That'll do. And then I think so. We've got HDMI and we've got micro USB. So if we do just connections like this, it should represent. Fill that one in. Fill that one in. And I'm thinking maybe we just write like USB or HDMI. So if we do a text thing, USB like that. Again, with this sort of thing, it's always just about like, you want to try and just do your best sort of representation of what you've got. USB, HDMI. Cool. All right, and then so we can make that a component. I think I won't for now. Maybe if I can just copy and paste this, so it's not really linked properly as a component. Oh, it disappeared. I think. Yeah, it's not having it. SkyCAD's not having it. What I can do is I can just put a bit of red text there to make it look like it's actually linked. PC 1. Make it red. Do 36. You know what I mean? Bit dodgy, but that works. So we can do that, and then if we do now the same for the HMI, I'm just thinking, what did I call the HMI? So on the top face that I've just written just HMI, and I guess this actually isn't a part on my BOM actually, so I need to add that. It needs to be a part on my BOM. So maybe we'll make it a real component. That's okay. So let's do HMI slightly bigger, and then we'll put these ports on the side. So just do the same again, like that, and like that. So slightly bigger. Fill, and then we probably just want to copy and paste these. Nope, won't let me comment. Yep, copy and paste. And then can I rotate these? I'm pretty sure I can. Drawing, rotate left. Nice. Drawing, rotate left. Lovely. HDMI there, USB there. And then, if hopefully we can connect these. Let's go back to the subgrid. Hopefully we can connect these with a connection. So I don't really know like what to do with connection wise. I'll do a cable. Let's do, if we do this, it's a bit awkward really. If we do that and then, don't know, go over. Bit awkward, but I don't like that. It just looks messy. Let's do this. Let's move this PC up like that. And then USB, HDMI. Maybe that works. Don't know. So we'll make these both real components. You should know how to do this, but so let's do HMI. And then as for what HMI I've got, I'm not quite sure. So let's just find one on Amazon. Amazon 7-inch HMI touchscreen. Let's put HDMI touchscreen. Look, that looks like that can be it. That does look like my exact one. What's the brand? I feel like it's Elecro, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna assume it's this one because that's pretty much exactly how mine is. So let's do, maybe before we do these connections, I don't know, can I deselect the connection? Yep, okay, great. Create graphical block, define insertion point, yep, and then we're going to call it a HMI, hopefully. There is a HMI, yep, cool. So now it's got a HMI thing, and then HMI 1. Great, so now that's a part, which is what we wanted. We'll do the same now just for this PC, just to not be lazy and do it correctly. So create graphical block, define insertion point. Okay, and then we got, I think I did networking before. Networking, okay. And then we've got, okay, this one we can just link it. So now that's a real part, home, link with, power distribution there. PC1, lovely. And this one, let's define it and let's give it a part and stuff now. So double click on it, give it this description, and we'll just take the manufacturer, and then I doubt it's going to have a part number. Let's see. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Item model number. It's gone with that. We'll just use that. Why not? Alright. Not the best, but cool. So at least now that on our parts list will be fully legit. Give it a refresh, and there we go. HMI 1. As you can see there, HMI 1 touchscreen 7-inch. That is now our drawings fully complete. And there are some other very powerful things you can do with SkyCAD, which I won't get into because I'm not quite sure what's part of the advanced or what's not. But definitely, I'm pretty sure everything that we've done in these 13, 14 tutorials have been fully free to use. So, and that's just hugely powerful. I love that. That's pretty clear what we've got going on. I think there I've got USB. I kind of want to put micro. Just to make it super obvious. If we put micro there, really small text maybe. Drawing, rotate left. It's, that says USB micro, but let's put micro USB. Cool. Micro USB, not the best at not the best for visual. Cool. All right, cool guys. Thanks for watching. I'll do one more video on this, which will just be how to wrap up everything. So, but yeah, very good series. I think if you've enjoyed it, leave a like. Yeah, man, our drawings are. I'm very happy with them. This is a good set of drawings for me to use for my home PLC rig. So, cool. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.